Hey there, today we're going to look at how to use the status column in monday.com. So let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to the monday.com website. Over here, look at the upper right corner and click the login button. After that, you can either sign in using Google or enter your email address. Then, if you're using Google Sign In, select your correct email from the list. Once you're logged in, navigate to the board where you want to add a status column. Over here, open your selected board and move to the last column on the right. Then click on the plus sign to add a new column. From the menu that appears, select Status. Just like that, the status column will be added. After that, to customize your new status column, find the three dots next to the word status. Click on that, then choose Settings. Inside the Settings menu, select Customize Status column. Over here, you can rename the default labels or change their colors to match your team's preferences. If the existing labels aren't enough, click on New Label to add your own custom status. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next